Hi, my name is Tom Alferos, Commodore of the Key Colony Beach Fishing and Boating Club. We're sponsoring today a golf tournament to benefit the city's golf course. It went underwater, and so we figured we'd put together a tournament to help the golf course. Outstanding people that came forward to sponsor holes, sponsor first place prize, second and third place prize. So many people to thank, I really don't want to forget anybody. But we got the Weenie Wagon here from Centennial Bank. We got sponsors as Captain Hooks, Cabana Club, Havana Jacks, Optical Shop. I probably forgot a few. But I want to thank everybody for sponsoring, helping, coming out and golfing. It's going to be a fun thing. Maybe we'll make this an annual event.
Good morning. We're here with the Fishing and Boating Club Fundraiser golf tournament here at our lovely Key Colony Beach Par 3 golf course. It's going to be a fun day. It looks like a very competitive group of teams out here. We're hoping for the best. We're hoping that Key Colony Beach comes out on top. Thank you.
We represent the American Legion golf team, and we're here to whip everybody's butt.
We're here to represent the pickleball folks just around the corner. They're over there playing pickleball right now. We're going to be over here and hopefully have some fun and enjoy the day. We'll see who comes in first. I think we'll go fast so we can come in first, but I don't know if we'll have the best score. But we're happy to be here, and we're looking forward to a great day.
Good morning. We're the Key Colony Beach Ladies League. We meet here every Wednesday morning during season to play golf at 8 a.m. and support the course and have fun with all our friends. We met here, and here's a group of them. We're here to support this tournament sponsored by the Fishing and Boating Club that's going to help improve our golf course after all the damage from Hurricane Irma. It's going to be better and more beautiful than ever.
It's Saturday morning. We got all these golfers anticipating a lot of fun. Key Colony for our first Key Colony Fishing and Boating Club sponsored tournament for the benefit of all the money that we're going to make today, if we do, is all going to improve the golf course. So this will be the first of many.
Okay, here we have the Bad Guys team, Carl, Joanne, Spence, and Julia. And we're here to enjoy ourselves at the KCB Club today and drink a little beer and a little whatever.
Wine.
Whatever.
Hi, I'm Sandy Bachman, and this is Mary Cole. We both are part of the Ladies Golf League, and we're here with my son, who came from Raleigh, and
my brother-in-law, who came from Wausau, Wisconsin.
So we're not very good players. I hope Mary doesn't get angry with me saying that. So we needed to bring in the big guns to at least compete in the tournament.
This is the Key Colony Beach course record holder of 20. I challenge anybody to come out and try to break that.
Yeah, I challenge.
You will have to pay to
I challenge him too.
I challenge him. It was a round. I saw it too.
Who's third?
Team Cato. Second place goes to Team Hammond. Third place, sponsored by the Optical Shop. Third place team, Team Veith. Are you accepting?
So we want to thank the teams for coming out, and we also want to donate our winnings back to the fundraiser.
Oh, geez.
All $4? All $4.
Highest score, Team Hilsel.
Chuck, where are you? Okay, Sandbagger, I just want to explain one thing. He hasn't golfed before yesterday. He hasn't golfed for 4 years. I haven't golfed for 5 years.
And I suck.
Chuck,
And we're extremely honest.
We're honest to a fault. So we weren't going to accept this prize. We thought we wouldn't announce this until at the end so that nobody would sandbag to be the last, and ours is an honest score.
You won by a lot.
We won by an awful lot. Very honest. And we aren't proud of it. We're giving the money back. But thank you.